Microbial mats, these intricate communities of microorganisms, are like bustling cities in extreme environments. From hot springs to salt flats, they thrive where others struggle. In ancient ecosystems, they played a crucial role, shaping the very fabric of life. Today, their resilience and diversity make them fascinating subjects for astrobiology research, offering clues to the mysteries of life beyond our planet. Join me as we dive into the microscopic world of microbial mats, where tiny organisms hold the key to unlocking the secrets of our past and the possibilities of our future.